Menteri Rangba jongka jela Konrad Kiasangma ulalum ya kajian lang berkihe officer Bansyong Bishar halur kijaka ajing sumar bar kajipan kre jongka West Garo Hills banyaku ni kajing sapreng jongka kelam COVID kat kendai. Ya kan kajian lang la penlong ha circuit house tura balai shimenta da kihe officer katangat kakoi kakia ha kajian dan lang UMLA kanot tura u Thomas E Sangma u Deputy Commissioner Ram Singh kihe doktor nalor kikan hun baper kentup kini alam jong kiseng nyam. Hakane gajian lang Menteri Rangba kejela ulapta ikibor kmi bakin long kibalapan kre ha borok kilat kelenti bante alakam ikane kaklam.
Today, along with the Deputy Commissioner and the other officials from the Health Department, we reviewed the overall COVID situation in West Garo Hills District with a special focus on Tura. During this visit, apart from having a detailed review meeting, we also visited different locations like the oxygen plant location and the Corona Care Center and the civil hospital. During the day, the meetings that were held discussed regarding the different aspects of positivity rate, the hospitalization rate, and the overall scenario of active cases throughout West Garo Hills. We also discussed regarding the vaccination program and how many people have been vaccinated and how we would move further. We also discussed about the different ways in which the community would also participate and create more awareness regarding the containment and different protocols to be followed during the COVID situation. Currently, the positivity rate in Tura is around 6 to 7%, and we have roughly about 100 plus cases which are active out here. The number of patients who are admitted in hospital is approximately 10 plus, about 11. And we, as of now, we have sufficient oxygen cylinders. Approximately 1,000 cylinders are there. And currently the Holy Cross Hospital has got its oxygen plant, and we will be very soon activating and installing the civil hospital oxygen plant also, which should be done within this month's time. At the same time, we will also be putting up the oxygen cryogenic plant in Jingjal, which will then further look at the overall need for oxygen supply for the patients in 5 districts of Garo Hills, and also cater to the needs of West Khasi Hills also. Overall, the situation is serious even in West Garo Hills, but still under control. But it is important that at this point in time, proper precaution is taken so that the cases don't go beyond a certain level. And therefore, the participation of the community is very important, and the overall society has to come together to ensure that the cases don't go out of hand. So today's review was a good review, and we got more or less an idea about the current situation that West Garo Hills is facing. But compared to other district, the West Garo Hills district is quite high. But then if we keep things under control, then we should be able to manage the situation. But that does not mean that we can take things lightly. So I appeal to all the citizens of West Garo Hills, and especially of Tura town, that we must ensure that we vaccinate ourselves as and when our turn comes in, and more importantly, follow the protocols that have been given by the Health Department.